Now let's continue our discussion about relationships among Zhang viscera, specifically the heart and spleen. The heart controls the blood vessels and the spleen controls transportation and blood flow. The relationship between the heart and spleen is seen most importantly in the formation and circulation of blood. The formation of blood. The spleen's ability to transport and distribute the essential nutritive substances and its ability to generate blood both depend upon heart yang's warming action for completion. That is, the fire element generates the earth element. When spleen qi is plentiful, the source of blood is abundant. The heart is well nourished and the heart's functions are normal. In pathology, deficiency of spleen qi can lead to deficiency of heart blood. Deficiency of heart blood can diminish the spleen's nourishment. This eventually results in deficiency of both the heart and the spleen, manifested by palpitations of the heart, insomnia, excessive dreaming, poor appetite, and lassitude. Treatment usually involves the method of strengthening the heart and augmenting the spleen. Second, about the circulation of blood. The circulation of blood through the vessels depends not only upon heart qi for propelling force, but also on the spleen in keeping the blood flowing within the vessels. In pathology, failure of spleen in managing blood flow can bring about erratic blood circulation and excessive consumption of heart blood. Such symptoms as nosebleed, blood in feces, vaginal bleeding, and subcutaneous bleeding can result. Deficiency of heart qi and concomitant loss of propelling force can weaken the spleen's ability to control blood flow. This can result in bleeding or blood stasis. In this diagram, we see the relationship between the heart and the spleen. So the heart dominates the blood in blood circulation. With heart yang, it promotes blood formation. With the spleen, which generates and makes and also partakes in blood formation, this commands blood circulation for the entire body. Thank you for your attention.